Hi guys, Ishan Sharma here, and in this video I will show you simple and custom pagination in Django REST framework. So first of all, I will show you the project structure. The project name is Demo Pagination, and also I've created an application named Employee Data. This application is registered in settings file, and also I've registered REST framework. Now I will show you the application Employee Data. It contains a model named Employee Data, which contains employee ID, name, email, department, and designation. I've also created 50 dummy entries that I will show you in the admin panel. For that, I need to start the server. So this is the dummy data I entered for demo purposes. It has around 50 records. Now I will create an API to list these records. For creating the listing API, I will create a new subdirectory in employee data application. And in that I will create three files, mainly serializers.py, views.py, and urls.py. In serializers.py, I will create the serializer for the model. For that, I need to import serializers from REST framework and also the model. Then I will create the serializer. So I've created the serializer. After that, I will write the view. So I've created the view. Now I will map this view with a URL. Now I will include this URL in the project URL. I think we are good to go. Now let's check the API. So it is showing that the URL is not available. I think I missed one slash here. Now we are good to go. So this is the listing API with the records of 50 employees. It contains employee ID, name, email, department, and designation. Now I will add pagination to this. For adding pagination, we can use the inbuilt pagination class in REST framework. For that, I will create one more file named pagination.py. In this file, first of all, I will import pagination from REST framework. And then I will create a pagination class. I will name it as small set pagination. In this, I just need to mention the page size. I will keep it as 10 and save it. Then I will import this class in views and set this class as the pagination class. Now I will run the server. Let's refresh this page. And you can see that pagination has been applied. It has a key of count and a key of next, which shows the next page, and a key of previous, and then the results. So I have 10 results as of now because I set the page size as 10. Now let's go to the page 2. So now we are currently on page 2, and this is the result on the page 2. It has links for the page 3 and previous page, that is the page 1. So this is how you can achieve basic pagination in Django REST framework. We can also customize this pagination. Let me show you how. Now I will create a class for custom pagination. In this also, first of all, I need to set the page size. After that, I will override a method named getPaginated_response. For creating the response, I need to import response from REST framework. So this is going to be the response of our paginated view. So first of all, I will give the link for the next and previous page. For that, I will create a key for navigation and then a key for next page and then for the previous page. After that, I will add the page count. After that, I will also tell the current page, and then finally show the data. So this is going to be the custom pagination class. Now I will include this class in the views. Now I will run the server. So this was the previous response. That was the default response. Now I will reload this page and show you the custom response. So this is the custom response. It has the navigation key with the next and previous page, the page count, the current page, and then the results. So this is it guys. I hope you like my tutorial and I will meet you in the next tutorial.